Kelly from her Homestead Skills, and today Mark and I decided that we would take a drive into Georgia, and we saw many signs for this agricultural fair and decided that we would love to see it, so we stopped in for a little while. The location of the fair was in Summerville, Georgia. Unfortunately, the show did not start till 2 o'clock, and we were there at 11. But we were welcome to walk around and look at the animals being prepared for the show. But we're unable or unwilling to wait 3 hours for the show to start. We decided that we wanted to see a little bit more of Georgia, so we did hang around there for a good 20 minutes and watch them clean the animals, prep them, and then a lot of work goes into preparing these animals for a show. stop by a fair. That was in Georgia as well, wasn't it, Mark?
Let me think. What? Yeah, that was in Georgia.
Yes. And they were having a cattle show. Unfortunately, it didn't start till 2 o'clock, and we got there about 11.
Just before 11.
Just before 11, and did not want to wait around for 2 hours. It's too much to do, too much to see, to sit around waiting. So we came to Rome, and who knows where we're headed now. Okay.
We'll probably just stick on this side.
Okay. Just going for a walk finally. Out of the car for a while. We're in downtown Rome.
Yep.
This looks good. I was just trying to get out of people's way there.
Yep.
Sorry. Edward Jones. Veteran-made, veteran-built combat market. What do they sell? Coffee?
Yep.
Soaps, all kinds of things. Ooh, are these guys open? No pets, any size. Sunday closed. Unfortunately, yes, we are here on a Sunday. We are closed this Sunday. Ooh, a little too fancy for my taste. A little too rough for my taste. Hey, Marcus. Actually, we're too much in the shade there.
7, 6, 4.
Nikes, you don't use Nikes, do you?
Wait, it says, wait.
Okay, where are you going now?
I guess we're going now.
Okay, well, it's Mark again. We're back at Decks and Docks for lunch once again. This will be our last day in Leesburg, and we'll be moving on from here. So everybody have a great day, and we'll catch you another time.
Hi everyone, this is Tony from Her Homestead Skills again. Yeah, I got Mark on the camera once more. I think he's finally getting used to it, but I can't blame him. When I first started doing videos, I did not present myself on the camera. It was just my hands and what I was doing, so it took a while to get the courage to be front and center in the camera, so it's to be expected. Anyway, we're having a great time, and moving on tomorrow morning, and hopefully we'll be able to document a few more travels. We've actually stayed away from the large cities, but I think we do want to see some sights, but we're more interested in getting to know a little bit about the countryside and the people and
Rural America.
rural America rather than big cities. We know what big cities are like. Okay, this is Tony from her Homestead Skills. I'm hoping you're enjoying our little vacation with us, and we will catch you on the next one. Bye for now.